Hi all! This video is about a carriage adapter add-on that will be shipping to all our early customers. Our earlier design used Velcro zip ties to fasten the carriage adapter to the robot carriage. Based on your feedback and our own testing, we have redesigned the carriage adapter to include a well-fitting handle. We will be shipping this add-on with an Allen key to our early customers for a DIY upgrade. This new carriage adapter design allows easy mount and dismount of panels, and the panels will not slip once they are mounted and secured on the carriage. As you can see in this demonstration, the new handles are designed to snugly fit on the carriage, and once locked, the panel will not slip even when it gets real windy. To perform this DIY upgrade, simply remove the Velcro strip from the carriage. Remove the Allen key. Loosen the screws on the add-on piece. Position the two pieces around the heat shrink and align it with the slot. Then simply tighten the screws with the Allen key. Your carriage adapter upgrade is now complete. Thank you.